For 283 years, every doctor looking at a worn-out knee has said a version of the same sentence. Once that cartilage is gone, kaput.
Forget about it!
Well, let's change that. In 1743, a Scottish surgeon named William Hunter told the Royal Society that cartilage once destroyed is never recovered. He was not guessing. Cartilage has no blood supply and no nerves. There is no delivery system to bring it what it would need to rebuild itself. Every textbook since has agreed with him. Now cut to the 1990s. A VA hospital in the Bronx, an endocrinologist named John Eng ordered dried Gila monster venom out of a catalog because that animal eats only a few times a year and its blood sugar barely moves in between. In 1992, he found the molecule doing it. That molecule became the drug class that now includes Ozempic. Well, and it kept doing things nobody designed it for. Blood sugar, then weight loss, then fewer heart attacks, then kidneys, then people drinking and smoking less. And then patients started saying their knees felt better. Well, doctors had that one ready. What's the matter with you? You lost 30 pounds. Of course your knees hurt less. Every kilo you lose takes about 4 kilos of load off the joint. But here's the detail nobody tells you. A team in Shenzhen tested it directly. They took mice with osteoarthritis and split them into 2 groups. One got the semaglutide, the other had food restricted until they lost the exact same amount of weight. Same weight loss, no drug. If weight was the mechanism, both groups should have looked identical. They did not. The food-restricted mice kept losing cartilage. Only the drug group held on to it. The weight loss was never the mechanism. It was standing in front of the mechanism. Then the human piece. 20 patients with obesity and knee arthritis. Half got a standard joint injection, half got that, plus weekly semaglutide. 24 weeks later, imaging showed roughly 17% more cartilage in the drug group against under 1% in the other. Now hear the size of that honestly. 20 people, 10 per group, 6 months. That is a pilot, not proof. And the authors said so themselves. The mouse experiment is the part that doesn't go away. That was not a correlation. It was a comparison built to let the easy explanation win, and the easy explanation lost. For 283 years, the rule was that the tissue does not come back. Cartilage does not grow. That rule was never built on a trial. It was built on the absence of one. My name is Ricardo Barreto, and I break down what actually happens inside the body as we age. If you want to know more about regenerative medicine, I built an AI tool that will take you through them. Comment regen and I will send you the link.